So you're already tired, but hey, it beats going to class today, right?
I'm not going.
I want to welcome you to Osborn High School, where we consider ourselves the pride of the East Side.
Let's go. We got the big courtyard, watch out.
Let's go.
Jay.
Let's go. Didn't think I was getting mic'd up today. My name is Jaden Mavens. I'm really putting in that business. It's my favorite team. I'm kind of excited. What's up, my guy? Yeah, I'm in 10th grade, class 2026.
Jaden is awesome. He's the stellar student.
Excuse me, you know who Bob Ross is?
I do know who Bob Ross is.
He learned all his tactics from me.
Okay.
A breath of fresh air to see change in the school. Students every day look at these courtyards that had no life, had no love. Projects that have not occurred, we could not get to, did not have the funding. So to have this all done in one day by volunteers who are committed and passionate to make a difference, it makes my heart melt. And then to be the chosen school to get a state-of-the-art weight room, this is huge for us.
How much time do you think you're gonna spend today?
I'm gonna live in there. I might not go home. Hi, city here, people.
How many students do you even go to the school?
About 200, 300. I'm really happy I came to Osborn. There's a lot of opportunities here. A lot of people are like, oh, this has a bad reputation. 10 years ago, there was a lot of gangs here, stuff. Now the program's changing. There's so many nice people here, the teachers, the community is great. It's different, man. I'm really excited to see the weight room today. I'm gonna go get some people to get their shirts. Really elusive when it comes to taking pictures.
I'm excited. We finna be in there every day, get into it, me and him, and the rest of our teammates.
I don't think I'm ready to. I need to go to the front of the line. I think I need to go to the front of the line. You think I should go to the front of the line? Yeah. I think so.
Remember what this looked like just 4 months ago?
Coming from where I come from, I never had nothing like this. Oh my God, I'm about to tear up here. This weight room, man, it's a blessing. I'm nearly to tears in here. When I first came as a freshman, there were hardly weights, there was no dumbbells, nothing. I've never even seen one of these machines in here.
You got 2 years with it.
I'm from 7 Mile Van Dyke, man. It's a blessing to get out the hood, to lifting, getting bigger, upping my pace, bonding with my teammates in the weight room. If freshmen coming through, we can take them to the weight room. That could be a reason they come to the school. Thank you to the Pistons, Planet Fitness, and United Dairy for everything. Thank you.